Best IPTV in 2021.
Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Well, today I wanted to show you a great IPTV service, and this is one I've actually used for about 2 years now. It's called AirTV. When we click on it, open it up, I want to show you a little bit about it. It's got live TV, it's got video on demand. Now this is what's going to happen when you get the 3 days free trial. Now they're going to offer you a free 3 days, so they have a look at it, see what you think. We'll have a little look at the video on demand. So by clicking on that, as you can see, we're going to have the latest movies in here, and as you are, they're faultless. Simply click on it, there'll be a play button, and off you go. I want to show you, as you can see, just by clicking play, we're going straight into the movie. And this is a 2019 movie as well, faultless. As you can see, we'll come back out of it so you can obviously watch it something else. As you can see, we've got movies, we've got latest, we've got search option, we've got recommended, all them ones there. Very much simple case of clicking on it. As you can see, we've got TV serials, you've got sports movies, you've also got a history section so you can go back and look at ones that you've looked at before, favorites, dramas, thrillers, you name it, they're all in there. It's just very much a simple case of click on it and off you go. Now as you can see, as I said earlier, I've used it, I've had no problems with it, and faultless. Some of the ones that you see, they're cheap, they don't last 2 minutes. Also on this one, you also have a grid EPG, which is an episode program guide. So you click on that, as you can see, we're watching BBC One in here, and look at that picture, absolutely crystal clear, no problem at all there. Come back out of it. What I'll do is I'll show you the classic EPG. So you click on that, go back into it again, go over to live TV, click on that. Now to get to it, all you have to do is just go to the left, and what that will do is that will then show, as you can see, 1,330 channels there. Okay, very nice. Also, by just going to the left, as you can pause it, you can move it backwards and forwards, so you can use that for catch up. 7 days catch up on this one as well. As you can see, you can just click on it, you come down on the channels, and there's the programs. It tells you the quality, or how long the episode is, or how long the program's been going by the green bar. To come back out again, go over to, let's have a look at the grid EPG this time. So we just come across, use the controller, click on that. That then changes a different view on it, so you can have a look at that. Let's try that one for you. Give it a second or two just to load up. Great. As you can see, program's still going nicely there. And as you can see, this one might be a little bit nicer for you, a little bit easier. You can see what's the next program. We'll come down. Let's have a look what's on at Cheltenham, shall we? That was today's racing. So you just simply click on that. If you want to go back a program, then you just click on that and it'll go back a program that you haven't seen, or maybe that was on earlier today. So if you wanted to watch something like today's racing, you would just simply go on there and then you would go back, pause it, and then you can carry on. If maybe you've got someone at the door, you come back, you can carry on again. So you can exit and catch up just by going to another channel, as you can see there. Now as you can see guys, this has worked fine, no problems at all. Now there is ones on all different countries. As you can see, what we'll do is we'll go back out of here, and I'm going to show you all the different countries available on here. As you can, just looking at that quickly, all of these programs, no problem, very nice. As you can see, any of the ones, you just scroll all the way down and then off you go. Okay, let's go out of this and we'll show you the other menu on here, where you can show you all the different countries and all the different TV shows. Now when we don't have any EPG on here, we just go to the left hand side. As you can see, we've got sports, favorites, history, UK, Germany, Italian and French programs on there. Keep on coming down the controller on the left hand side, and then what you'll get is all the other different countries that are there. So just by clicking on, say, something like Sky Sports News, that will then just go into Sky Sports News. You can see there, it tells you also what the next program is. So coming down the left hand side, we've got UK, and as you come down on the countries, it tells you the programs that they've got and what's on there. As you can see, we've got Greek, Arabic, Netherlands, Keep on going down a little bit more. Belgium, Turkey, lots of great Turkey programs in there. Asian, Indian, Pakistan, they're all there. So as you can see, just coming down, you just have a look at them programs, guys. Pakistani, Indian, some great ones. Then we've got sports, English Premier League, Cyprus, Arabic again, more programs in there. Russian, Albanian, Balkan, former Roman, you name it, they're all there. Okay, there's also categories for music, and just click on the news ones if you want to watch a news one. There it is, it just clicks in there, and look at that picture, absolutely brilliant. Nice and straightforward. So there you go, that's it in a nutshell, guys. Very, very nice, all the ones in there that you'd ever want, and you can see thousands of channels. Everything that I've looked at before is just a simple look in the favorites, so it goes back on all the ones that you've seen before there. So let's go and have a look at their website, shall we? Hi everyone, well, as you can see, we've just come to their website. You know, it's nice and straightforward, exactly what you're looking for. We've got the section here where if you want to make a subscription or a download, and that download section is where you'll get the APK. You can get the APK exactly for your Android TV box, your TV sticks, or your smart TV. You can install it onto that. Also, if you've got your your Amazon Fire Stick, there's also a version for that. Now, if you want to download that onto your Fire Stick, the way I would probably do it is use the program downloader and go to the URL as you see here, and then just basically go to there, click on the download section, and just come down with your controller and click on there, and that will download it onto your Fire Stick. So also subscription, as you can see here, that's it there. Click on the home button to get the free trial. Just simply click on the free trial button, and as you can see here, choose it, click it, you give your details, and then off you go. You'll get your 3-day trial. I don't know how quickly they'll give it to you, maybe a few days, so just expect that. Don't expect it to be instant, these things never are, but as you can see, I've used this service for nearly 2 years now, and I pay for it, and it's absolutely brilliant. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, now let's have a little look at it a bit more. As you can see, the prices are all going to be there, so let's see as we scroll down. Everything's there for you, but also what you're going to get is you're going to get Flawless. Now, if I was you, probably try it for a month, see what you think. Maybe it's something that you don't like, maybe it is something that you think maybe we go for the year. Now that could be entirely up to you, the choice is entirely yours as well. As you can see, there's over 1,000 plus TV channels, and also we've got loads and loads of videos on demand. And as I can see, I've been watching live football, never had a problem watching it yet. So there you go, guys. As you can see, it's called AirTV. I've used it for 2 years, no problem at all. So take care.
Nice.